Good morning children, welcome to the computer class. Okay, let's start the chapter number 3 and the chapter name is virus. So children, in this chapter we will discuss about a virus and different types of viruses. Okay, let's start. So my first topic is virus. So a computer virus is an executable program that may disturb the normal working of a computer. Okay, and virus can steal user data, delete or modify file and a document. It can also steal or damage hard disk space. Okay, so in a simple language, computer virus is an executable program that may disturb the normal working of a computer. Okay, now second topic is types of viruses. Type of viruses. So the first type virus name is file virus. Okay, so this is the most common virus, fall into the categories. So this type of virus attach itself to a file, usually a program which loads the virus in the memory to do some malfunctioning. Okay, next virus. So boot, it is a very dangerous virus. This type of virus is direct attack on floppy and a hard disk. Okay, next one is microvirus. So as the name suggests, the microvirus particularly target micro language. Okay, command in application like MS Word or a document. So this type of virus infect the documents. Okay, next email virus. So an email virus travel as an attachment to email message and usually replicate itself by automatically. Okay, mailing itself to dozen of people in victim email address book. So this type of virus they launch when you view infected message in the preview pane of your email address or email software. Okay, next one is Trojan horse. So a Trojan horse is a simple computer program like any other virus. Trojan horse cannot replicate itself. Okay, Trojan horse have no way to replicate automatically. Clear? A user has to execute Trojan. Okay, next one is worms. So a worm is a similar to a virus by its design and is considered to be a subclass of a virus. It has the capability to travel without any help from a person. Okay, and it copy itself to the new machine using the security hole and then start replicating from there as well. Okay, next one. Okay, why do people create viruses? So there are many reasons, okay, why they create them. So first one is to make a money, second one to steal account information or data, third point to cause problem and trouble for others. Okay, now the next topic is how to protect your system from the virus. So first point is keep the operating system updated time to time. Okay, Next one, use a firewall. It is a private network. Okay. Next point is use antivirus software is crucial to preventing virus attack. Okay. So there are some name of antivirus software: Avast, Avira, McAfee, Norton, Quick Heal, and many more antivirus software is available in the market. Okay. Next, what is the symptoms of a virus? So, a virus can cause problem in a computer in many ways. Okay. So, first point is decreasing the speed of computer by occupying the memory in your computer. Okay. Second point is displaying unusual message like your PC is stoned, your PC at risk, etc. Okay. Third one, frequent hanging of the system. Okay. It is called hanging problem. Next, showing abnormal write protector error. Okay. Next, deleting or damaging files from your computer. Now, how to prevent a virus? Yeah, preventing a virus infections. To prevent a virus attack, we use some steps. Okay. So, in step number first point is do not install pirated software. Okay. Always scan the pen drive before copying file to the computer. Always take the backup of important files every day. And every PC should be equipped with some antivirus software. And the last point is use internet and email attachment very carefully when you work on a internet. Okay. Next one is firewall. Okay. So in a computing, a firewall is a network security system that monitor and control incoming and outgoing traffic based on predetermined security rules. So a firewall is typically establish a barrier. Okay. Typically establish a barrier. Suppose that this is the barrier. Okay. Between a trusted internal network and untrusted external network such as the internet. Okay. So a firewall is a system designed to prevent unauthorized access to or from a private network. Okay. It is also called a barrier. Okay. It is also called a barrier between a trusted internal network and untrusted external network. Okay. Next one, what is antivirus? So antivirus, it is a software that is used to prevent, detect and remove virus from the computer that harm the computers. Okay. So these are the some famous viruses. Okay. Kaspersky, Norton, Quick Heal and AVG. Okay. So these are the some famous antivirus, or this type of virus is easily available in the market. Okay. So student, this is the chapter number 3. Okay. Okay. Thank you class.